The Versa software has a few handy features that can help with troubleshooting and ensuring your system is running correctly. The first one we have is Tools Benchmark. The benchmark test is for general troubleshooting. It is designed to test the components of the Versa and ensure that the instrument is in working order. If any part of the benchmark test fails, the failure should be addressed before analysis of the samples is attempted. To start the benchmark test, simply input a name for your benchmark test and then select Start Benchmark. Some tests will be completed automatically while others require user intervention. If user intervention is required, read the directions and answer accordingly. To stop the benchmark, press Stop. If you run your benchmark fully, at the end it will give you the option to print your results, or if you wish to view your results later, go to View, All History, and you'll be able to find your benchmark test results under the name that you named it at the start of it. Another tool which is very useful is Diagnostics. This allows the user to independently control valves, mechanisms, and view communication records for troubleshooting purposes. The first tab here is Valves and Flows tab. This allows the user to toggle the Versa valves on and off, and it also allows them to test the 6-port valve and move it to positions A and B. We also have other things here with the beeper, the power LED, and the system pressure. The second tab is the auto sampler. Now it must be noted that this diagnostics tool is for advanced users only or service engineers, as untrained personnel using it could cause damage to your system. The auto sampler tab displays the current positions of the carousel and the elevator along with their encoder values. I will just speak through what each of these headings are. The position, this field lists the component that can be manipulated, so here we have the vial and the elevator. The current, this field lists the current position for the corresponding component. And then we have move, this causes the corresponding component to move to the position designated in the destination field. So here we have the option of home and then the vial positions. And we have down, home, up, mix, up, needle under the elevator tab. We also have some mixer options here. We have the home button, which commands the Versa to move all the auto sampler parts to their home locations. And we have the stop button that stops the currently running motor. And then we also have the elevator sensor status. Next, we have the communication tab, which again may be most useful for a service engineer, but just to highlight that it is here. Our last tool that we want to highlight here is we have leak check. So if you believe you do have a leak check on your system, that is available within the Versa software. So you can access it through this button or Tools Leak Check. Finally, just to highlight again that these tools are great, but are to be used by advanced users or service engineers, as using them incorrectly can cause damage to your system.